Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To access the battery, start by removing the airbox cover. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 holding screws on the airbox flange. Lift the cover of the flange, then remove the filter. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the clamping clip on the air inlet conduit. Then move the cover aside. Pull up the fastening latch on the plus terminal, plus, to disconnect it. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Lift the cover of the plastic case on top of the battery. Next, using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the nut holding the cable sleeve to the case so that you can remove it from the battery. Then remove the terminal. Disconnect the connector from the case. To do this, lift the small plastic tab using a flathead screwdriver and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Open the plastic guide for the positive terminal cable. Remove the cable. Unclip the entire case and position it so that it doesn't get in the way of your next operation. Remove the plastic covering from the battery. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 10mm socket, loosen the nut holding the negative terminal. Then remove the terminal. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate with a socket wrench, a long extension, and a 10mm socket. Remove the nut and take off the fastening plate of the battery. You can now remove the fastening plate. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery, coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Then put the negative terminal back and ensuring you insert it fully before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Put the battering fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Refit the battery cover. Remember to route the cable through the electrical connector on the case. Put the case back in place. Reconnect the electrical wiring. Reconnect the electric connector. Then lock it. Put the cable sleeve back in place. Then screw the nut back on. Put the cover back on. Lock the positive terminal fastening latch. Reinstall the inlet duct, and then reattach the duct clamp. Reinstall the air box. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Put the cover back on. Then screw the 4 screws back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.